Howdy, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to summarize massive PDF files with just one click. No more drowning in endless pages when you just need the highlights. Here's what we're working with. A fat document about Google's history. I could read through all this, or I could let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Easy choice. First, head over to ChatGPT and click that plus button next to the prompt box. Browse for your PDF and upload it, then just type "summarize this document." Nothing fancy needed. Hit send and let it work. Our 10-page file is now a clean one-page summary with all the key points. Pretty slick. Want it even tighter? Say, make it shorter for a single paragraph or one sentence if you're feeling bold. And that's the whole workflow. Fast, simple, and super efficient. Your future self will thank you when you're not buried in paperwork. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.